guys, welcome to another DyShen updates for today. So Shen Yue was spotted at the airport of Qingdao yesterday. She is apparently heading to Fujian to record for the variety show Wonderland Season 4 or 50 kilometers Tao. And I have no idea if she got eliminated and returned to reality after 10 days or it is really her schedule to record for Wonderland Season 4. We'll find out soon about that. As we can see, our girl is just so pretty and very youthful in her outfits. And I'm loving her long and curly hair. Her outfit might be very simple, but it suits her very well. And thank you to all the mooncakes who accompany her at the airport. And I hope DyShen will also be recording in Wonderland so that they will have the chance to do some activity together. Arrival in Fushu earlier today, and she will travel by car to Ningde to the Wonderland location. And did you know that Shen's haters are not happy with her looks? Many of them are saying she looks so ugly and her outfits are just ordinary, just like an outfit of a beggar. Well, haters gonna hate, but in our eyes she is looking great and always beautiful. For today's recording for Wonderland Season 4. And I love her outfit. She looks amazingly beautiful for me. And I hope haters can see that. And for Dylan Wang, let's take a look on how he enjoyed food on the set of Light to the Night. Dylan really loves to eat and has a big appetite, but his body remains skinny because of his discipline, of course, and he is working out, plus he plays basketball during free time. And Dylan and Shen Yue can be a perfect duo in cooking show or eating show because our DyShen love food. for Pittsburgh. Extract the new vitality and happy energy of summer. Integrate relaxation and self-adoption into daily life and regain the super nice magnetic field. The new Peace Bird Nice T in 2024 is coming soon. Look forward to the relaxed lifestyle with a unique attitude this summer. With Peace Bird Global spokesperson Dylan and immersive nice journey with multiple playful summer t-shirts. Find the tacit understanding with life in the relaxed daily life. 2024 Peace Bird Nice T is newly launched. This summer, room with me and start a nice journey. Go to the city street and improvise to explore the fun of trendy life. Explore the natural outdoors and relax as you like. During the comfortable commuting time, change relaxed attitude to get along with your body and mind in a nice way. No matter when and where, return to a comfortable state. Enjoy the present and be nice with life. His studio also shared the behind the scene of the photo shoot for Peace Bird. So stay tuned for more DyShen updates, and that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and please don't forget to hit the bell button for you to be notified every time I drop new videos. Stay safe, everybody. Don't forget to be kind and always choose love. Until next time, bye!